Here's my DualLiner bed liner. It's a 2020 Ram 1500. You can see it's an absolute perfect fit. Great coverage. The rubber mat was rolled up in the box, so I rolled it out for a day or two, let it kind of relax, and you can see it's got a little bit of a raised spot, but it's about 40 degrees, so I think with a little heat that'll settle out nicely. Tailgate cover fits good. I'm very pleased. Install took maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most. Everything pops in, slides in, rolls out. Couldn't ask for a better bed liner.